What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP as well as Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the S&P 500. And I'm excited to go over today's episode for quite a few good reasons. Specifically, looking at the S&P 500, surprisingly, we've broken outside of our descending fractal, something I didn't expect would happen this early, this quickly here. You can see we've had a lower high, lower low pattern here forming for quite some time. And just recently, we decided to reverse off that and start to head up higher. Very shocked. I'd like to see how we react with this resistance here. We bounced off the floor, which I knew we were going to hit, although I figured we'd bounce off and reject here and then head lower, and that's the opposite of what happened. But moving on from that, looking at the major cryptos like XRP and these other altcoins here, we did discover yesterday that XRP is forming some sort of symmetrical triangle, mainly on the 4-hour charts here. If I zoom in a little bit closer, you'll get a nice look, and you can see how we're kind of creating these kind of higher low, lower high movements here, filling in the gap. And if we jump to the daily, you can see how it's all coming into place right now, which is quite exciting. Again, only 2 points of contact, so lots to discuss as to whether or not this is solidified us just yet. Then moving on from XRP, Solana, which I'm very bullish on here. I've talked about this quite some time now, since I think like Friday or Saturday here, May 4th. We've had the confirmation breakout outside a huge, and I mean an enormous bull flag formation here with a massive flag pull followed by a lower high, lower low pattern. We confirmed the breach above resistance here as we teeter-tottered with the moving average, and you can see we're starting to rally up and head to the upside here, and this looks absolutely nuts. You can see we're already starting our ascent to the upside here. We're up, nothing crazy, but from breakout point, we were up 12.5%, currently at about 9.35%. But I think this is just the start. Yeah, we may see some turbulence. Yeah, we may come back down and retest support, but we are going to be on an uptrend, as I do believe that's where we are currently. So I'm excited to go over all this stuff with you. Then we're going to look at Ethereum's bull flag, Bitcoin's bull flag, so on and so forth here. And with all that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. Now, guys, remember, before we dive into the technical analysis, all my trades are posted on my Patreon. So if you want to get exclusive access to my trades before they hit YouTube, make sure to check out my Patreon with the link down in the description below. But moving on from that, May Madness is here for BidFi. I'm very excited to go over the new trading bonuses that they are offering here. This is actually one of my favorite giveaways they've had in a very long time here. So that means if you're a new user and you haven't signed up to BidFi yet, you can get $50 depositing anything into the exchange, and they'll reward you with a $50 bonus of free cryptocurrency. And like I said, who doesn't like free crypto? So you can claim this for free. And for those that maybe are new to the BidFi that haven't signed up just yet, so the new user, or who have already signed up but you haven't made a deposit yet, or you can get more by getting a cash back of up to $300 in free cryptocurrency, 20% of your deposit amount. So these are two ways to just get free money. You can keep trading, you can just deposit, claim the free money, and then withdraw out of the account. It's just a free bonus incentive for you guys to capitalize and just get some free cryptocurrency. And who doesn't like some free crypto? So make sure to check out BidFi with that link down in the description below. Anywho, diving into today's video, I'm just excited to go over everything that's happening here. Yesterday, I made an episode talking about how Shiba Inu is actually starting its ascent to the upside. Like, we're this close to seeing that break to the upside here, as we are forming a bull flag formation, a lower high, lower low pattern here, and we are this close to seeing that break. And that's what I'm excited to see happen here. Filling in this gap, you can see the massive bull flag that's forming here, lower high, lower lows. We're just retesting the price ceiling, and there's a good chance we're going to reverse and explode to the upside, and that's truly what I'm waiting for. And that same thing is applied with most of the major cryptocurrencies too. We've been tracking this kind of breakout within this massive bull flag for quite some time now. A massive one that I want to show you on both Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the XRP charts here. XRP a little bit different, but Ethereum and Bitcoin have been pretty massive, if you ask me here. Looking at the current coin market cap, though, quick refresh reveals markets are still consolidating, which is all right. Like I said, we're post-halving. Markets are going to be reversing back to the upside here. Once we hit bottom, which very well could have been, just a couple of days ago here, this might be the lowest time and the last time we see prices descent this low in the markets. And then we're going to start to see markets reverse to the upside here. You can see lots of consolidation is taking place, though, with like Bitcoin flatlined out, Ethereum, BNB, Solana is the only one on an ascent. But Doge, XRP, everything is pretty much just chilling, cruising, traded sideways for the most part, but everything's up 4% for the past 7 days of the week on Bitcoin here. Solana's up 20%. Doge is up 17. Like, lots of cryptos are doing well, and we are starting an ascent to the upside here, which is exciting if you ask me. Now, starting off with XRP, you can see we are forming some sort of symmetrical triangle. Now, it's too early to tell. I've made that very clear. It is too early to tell. We do look good, though. We expected that we'd be bouncing off the new bull flag. We had a bull flag we were tracking here, and XRP has historically been showing these bull flags. It's a consistent thing that constantly happens within XRP. And here we are on number 5. This is the 5th one here. We broke out of it, formed some sort of symmetrical triangle, also an ascending broadening wedge. We broke down from that to the downside here and are now forming another symmetrical triangle, which is quite interesting. The only unfortunate thing, it's kind of too early to tell what exactly is going on with XRP because we only have 2 points of confirmation here. You can see 1, 2, and then 1, and maybe on our second price ceiling for XRP here. Although there's a good chance this is going to be accurate here. Although we're going to probably have to keep tweaking these ever so slightly like this until we get, a third confirmation, and then we can go from there. Now, typically we could see a reversal out of these, and I think we will at some point. Once we confirm a breakout of resistance. Again, very aggressive to trade on this because of only the 2 points of confirmation. This makes it an aggressive trade nonetheless. But if you want to get in on this, waiting for confirmation closure above resistance would be the ideal buy-in. You can see rejection, rejection. So if we can confirm a daily closure, a candle, like had this have closed up here, we closed up here, we would be able to buy in. There's going to be a bit of turbulence with this moving average and the price ceiling, but I do believe markets are due for a pretty healthy recovery here. XRP, unfortunately, might be put on the side, on the back burner for now until we see a little more volume come into the markets, into XRP. But these other cryptocurrencies are showing massive signs of return in the very near future. And if you're not paying attention to these markets, you are going to miss out on big money to be earned here. Now, obviously, and like I said before, I take advantage of all my trades. I do all my trades on BidFi. You can find them all early on Patreon, and then you can get your free crypto on BidFi. It's a pretty good system I got going right now here. Get your free crypto. And then BidFi, like I've said before, is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use on the channel. They let you buy long, they let you sell short, they let you leverage trade, they let you take profits. Everything you'd want to do on BidFi on an exchange is offered on BidFi. Buy long, sell short, take profits, all the trades that we're patiently waiting for, you can take advantage of on BidFi right here. They have assets right here, they have, welcome rewards page, and then they even have a demo trading account. I've made videos in the past showing you kind of how to navigate through the website here. If you're a bit confused, you can just scroll back on my channel here, but they offer over 2K. So not only can you earn, the current May Madness BidFi rewards here, but then they have a way for you to earn a constant 2K in bonuses by literally completing the tasks down on the welcome rewards page. Complete these and you can earn free cryptocurrency like that. So definitely make sure to check that out. They also have a demo trading account which gives you 50K in Monopoly money to test your skills. It allows you to get familiar with your trades, familiar with my trades, get familiar with the platform, and then when you're ready, you switch on over to the live account and you could trade real cryptos. Now, moving forward from BidFi and XRP, continuing off our ascent to the upside here, a very easy buying opportunity for a long-term, maybe a moderate-term hold would be the Solana charts here. You can see in the past when Solana breaks, we form some sort of descending fractal here, and then we start our ascent to the upside. And this is literally like cookie cutter, copy, paste onto what's happening now. Lower, high, lower, low pattern, filling in the gap. We confirm closure outside of here. And here we are, probably going to continue our ascent to the upside. We just broke through it. This is just the beginning of what could be huge. If we take this, the flagpole itself, and we lay it over where we broke out, we have a target that is very high. Conservatively, like $240, which is insane. And we just started the cusp here. Now, this isn't something you just buy into expecting to get rich or to get into a profit within a day or 2 days here. It is a long-term hold. It might take us to July for us to see a return up to price ceiling, up to this resistance here. But keep in mind, from breakout, this would be a 41% gain. And from the current price position, it is a 30% gain in just a couple of months. May, June, July. In 3 months, you would make 30 to 40% on your gains very quickly. And that's short term. That's at 200. If we take it from the actual breakout where we can conservatively see prices move to, like this, and you get the buy-in right where we currently are on Solana, it could easily be a 60% gain from where we currently are, or from where I bought in, a 73% gain conservatively if we see that break continue. And I'm very confident we are going to continue to scale higher, as that is what Solana has been consistently doing since the beginning of like this year into the kind of the end of last year here, we've been on this uptrend and we've been very healthy while we do it. Even jumping to the weekly, we don't look all that bad. We are consolidating, we are heading up higher, but we look really, really good. Bullish cross, you can see the uptrend taking place here, and it's going to carry itself further into 2024 and into 2025 here. So keep your eyes peeled on Solana, as this is a huge opportunity very, very, very soon. And then to wrap up things real quick, Ethereum and Bitcoin, you guys can tell, I don't even need to explain it, the patterns that are forming here. Major bull flag formations here, major opportunities to capitalize on. We aren't able to buy into them just yet. As I said yesterday and the day before, there is chances that we could rebound lower here and just continue to fill these in, and that's fine. You could trade on a short. It is more aggressive, but you could trade on a short to the downside. Ideally, the smart thing to do, what I'm going to do, is wait for confirmation above our downtrend here. You can see the yellow resistance. If we break through this at any point, I'll be buying in and longing to the upside here. Same thing goes with Bitcoin. We break through this, we can buy in and long to the upside here. And it's that simple, guys. Same thing with the S&P. I'd like to see how we react with this. Like, are we going to break lower? That's what I'd like to see happen here. But there's also a chance we could break up higher. Anyways, with that all being said, make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.